So I'm in Ogden, Utah tonight, and we're with Weber County Search and Rescue, a division of Weber County Sheriff's Office. Tonight, they were conducting training of missing hikers. Hikers that had reportedly gotten lost on the trail and had not been heard from in quite a while. Weber County was able to begin sending a team on the ground on foot up into the area to begin a search on the ground, while at the same time scouting with their Matrice 300s. They were able to utilize the Matrice 300's visible light camera during the evening hours and then switch to their thermal imaging cameras. They were still able to utilize the visible light cameras with spotlights when they had areas of interest they needed to look at. And when they did find the patients, they were able to now spotlight the area for that identification of the patients, as well as illuminate the ground team's path up to the patients, keeping them safer in this rugged terrain. They were then able to continue to remain on scene and illuminate the area for the ground team as they were working to bring the patients back and illuminate their path back down. This coordination was really great to see because they also were live streaming this information back to the incident command post, as well as able to use a app with topographical map that they integrated in the ground team's position from their cellular phones, as well as ham radio antennas attached to the top of the Matrice 300s that were showing the Matrice 300 location. Therefore, they were able to coordinate all of the locations, including dropping pinpoints with the Matrice 300s, labeling those pinpoints, as well as being able to send the GPS coordinates of where the patients were at. I want to thank Weber County Sheriff, as well as Weber County Search and Rescue team members, who is a multidisciplinary search and rescue team, from mountain rescue to swiftwater rescue to dive rescue, as well as having at the core of those disciplines their drone team. So thank you very much for your time, Weber County.